In today's video, we're going to create this rotating text effect in Figma. My name is Jacqueline and this is Secure Designs. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Now, let's get started. Select the text tool by pressing T on the keyboard and type your text. Select the ellipse tool by typing O on your keyboard and draw the ellipse shape. Select both the circle and the text and load the toolpath plugin. Click on the link button to link your text to your circle path. Adjust your settings and add an extra text to close the space. Adjust the text size to make sure the full text is visible on the path. Select the linked group, then frame the selection by pressing Command-Option-J, then rename the frame. Select the circle and reduce its size using the scale tool, then change its color. Duplicate the frame and select the linked group and set its rotation to -179.99. Select both frames and create a component set. Switch to prototype and connect the first variant to the second variant. Set it to an after delay, a smart animate, and linear, then set your duration. Now, connect the second variant to the first variant and set the after delay and duration to 1 millisecond. This is what you get for the first results. Now, let's create the loading circle. Select the ellipse tool and draw your circle, then change its color. Convert it to a component and rename it. Select the component and click on the plus icon to create its variant. Select the variant circle and double-click it to enter the vector mode. Click on the top node and move it upwards. Select the first circle and create a variant from it again. Double-click it once again to enter its vector mode. Click on the second node and move it to the right. Repeat this process till you've moved all the nodes on all the sides. Select all the individual variants in the component and move the first variant down to the bottom. Now, connect the various circles using after delay and smart animate. Make sure your prototype settings are similar to what is shown on the screen. There you have it, our rotating text with our loading circle. Now, let's switch things up. Select the rotating text component and create a new variant. Select the variant created in the second variant and swap it. With a new variant still created, create another variant and then swap that variant as well. Select just the text in the second variant and turn off its opacity. Then select just the text in the first variant and turn off its opacity as well. Select the small circle in the first variant, move it slightly upwards and turn off its opacity. Switch to prototype and connect the first variant to the second variant to the third variant, and the third variant to the fourth variant, then the fourth variant back to the third variant. Adjust the settings for the first connection and the second connection as well. Make sure they are the same as what is seen on the screen. There you have it, a rotating text effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe for more content.